It's Bonnie. Happy Monday. I am back. Oh my goodness. What a Bath and Body Works Christmas launch day. I feel like there is almost too much product out there to even figure out on day one because they actually launched 12, 13, I think 15 body care. So they did the 4 holiday traditions, the 4 festive fours, that's 8, the 4, what are we going to call these? Pillowed, tufted, I don't know what the heck to call them. They're pretty. I'm going to talk about Dark Kiss in a minute. And then the 3 storybook. So that's 15 products plus they also did the aromatherapy and the new men's woodlands. I'm probably forgetting something, but that's a lot of product. And there's 2 different price points on everything. There's the buy one get one on the holiday traditions. There's the buy 3 get 3 on everything else. So there is definitely a confusion today, and that's not even including like the candles and everything else. So we're going to break it all down. We're going to review sales as they come in, but I want everyone to have a good idea of what's out there. So I'm going to review first impression on Dark Kiss, which I absolutely love. But first, I just want to put a picture up. I forgot to talk about this earlier. The clock. Oh my gosh. I didn't get it today though. This is the Bath and Body Works Christmas clock. We're going to be talking a lot more about this. I got to get my hands on it. I want a coupon though. There's a swinging pendulum. There are nutcrackers and there's a mouse. It's absolutely adorable. I think it was $69, but I'm like, you know what? I'm waiting for my coupon. But I just want to tell you the clock's in the store today. So that was exciting. So we got the clock. This collection is absolutely stunning. I got to say. Champagne Toast, Dahlia, Dark Kiss, and what the heck is the 4th one? Now I gotta look. Like I said, there is so much product right now. Body care, let's see, fragrance, let me see, Dahlia, Dark Kiss, what else? Champagne Toast. What's the last one in this collection? Oh my goodness. It's going to drive me crazy now. New arrivals. Why am I not seeing it? Is it not released yet? Oh, You're the One. Oh my gosh. You're the One. I'm like, I know there was another one. So You're the One, Dahlia, Dark Kiss, and Champagne Toast. It's a lot. All fragrances that we've seen before, obviously. Dark Kiss is kind of like the odd one out because You're the One, Champagne Toast, and Dahlia were all like, well, Champagne Toast probably a long time ago. It was like the signature collection. Champagne Toast is out all the time. You always see it. It's exciting they brought Dahlia back. And then You're the One in the new packaging is actually really hot. So the packaging is neat. It is actually kind of a take on the faceted. It almost looks like a high-end like duvet cover. Like it's got like a cross pattern with these little diamond buttons on there. It's pretty though. And then there's like this little kind of gold and white on the wrapper, but it's really pretty, I gotta say. And seeing Dark Kiss all wrapped up for Christmas is really exciting because this is one of my favorites. So Dark Kiss is black raspberry, burgundy rose, bergamot incense, dark vanilla bean, and plum musk. I have a feeling this is going to be one of the hottest scents of the holiday season. So if there's a huge body care sale this weekend, I would get this one. It smells so good. It's actually perfect right now for like late October Halloween. I love, it's almost like a patchouli scent. Even though patchouli is not one of the scent notes, I think I would call this like the bergamot incense, dark vanilla bean. The burgundy rose is deep. It's just really good. There's a little bit of fruit mixed in there. But it kind of reminds me of like a black pepper patchouli scent because it's got like that little bit of earthy, but it's sophisticated, and it just really has always blended well with my skin type. I love it. It's like literally one of my favorites. Every time I wear Dark Kiss, I get a lot of compliments on this one, and it's exciting to see it in new packaging. I gotta say, the purple is gorgeous. I think the purple in this collection is the prettiest. It's a little bit light in the cream, I gotta say. I tried the cream earlier, and I'm like, I don't know, but if you layer the mist with the cream, you're probably gonna get the desired effect here. But I don't know why, it just seemed kind of light in the cream. I'm gonna have to try this out a little bit more extensively. But there's something magical about purple at Christmas. And remember when they had the Joy, Love, Peace, Hope collection? I was kind of hoping that one of them was purple. I said that before. I love purple at Christmas. So the fact that we got an older favorite back in this beautiful purple packaging is making me happy. I got to get this in the shower gel. I think I ordered it online this morning. Oh boy, that smells good. And I want it in the lotion just to see what the bottle looks like. I should have looked at it in the store this morning. Honestly, like I literally myself, and you know how I know just about like every fragrance at Bath and Body Works, I was literally walking around going, oh my gosh, there's more new stuff. There's more new stuff. It's funny, when I left the store, at the outside they had what is it called? Northern Brights, I think it's called, and Woodlands, and I'm like, I totally forgot to get that collection. But it's all good because we're going to be having a sale soon on body care. It's coming. But let me know what you think of Dark Kiss coming back. I'm totally excited, and I love the packaging. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.